welcome to Ashton's workshop. Today we're going to be drawing a thunder-clad leopard, so hope you follow along with me. Use some paper and some of the color with, or if you have an iPad, you can use an Apple Pencil. So let's get started. The first step, we're going to draw its head. And this one, we're going to do his mouth open this time. Now, we're going to make this and make the nose. Now, let's make this a bit more wide for his head. Now, let's do the ears. And now the insides. Now, let's do the mouth. And we're going to be doing the canine soon. Right now, I'm going to fix his mouth so it makes him more like a real thunder-clad leopard. And they get their name because their patterns look like clouds. And they have the longest canines of any other cat. And here is the neck. Now, let's make the canines. And now the shorter teeth. We're going to do the behind of the canines. Now let's do the sharp teeth again, but on the lower. And we're gonna fix the jaw again. But you guys can leave it wherever the way you like it. And now let's make the eyes. We're gonna make the whiteness in the inside. And we're gonna make it black the eye. Now let's make the spots. We're gonna use the crayon for this one. And we're gonna make the cloud shapes. And here's the other spots. We're gonna make the other ear on the other side. Okay guys, so we have our cloud leopard. Now, let's color it. Okay guys, so what do you think of our Sunda-clad leopard? I hope this is a lot of fun to color. I hope you really enjoyed it. So, we'll see you on season 2. See ya!